গুণ হইতে নিচয়া সদা লোভে নাম গুণ হইতে নিচয়া সদা লোভে নাম আপনি নিরভয়মানি অন্য জীবে মান আপনি निश्चयकरण ज्ञान योग तप कर्म आदि निवारण. The use of the word kevala only prohibits all three other processes such as cultivation of knowledge, practice of mystic yoga, and performance of austerities and fruitive activities. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Our Krishna consciousness movement stresses the chanting of Hare Krishna mantra only, whereas those who do not know the secret of success for this age of body unnecessarily indulge in the cultivation of knowledge, practice of mystic yoga, or performance of fruitive activities of useless austerities. They are simply wasting their time and misleading their followers. When we point this out very plainly to an audience, members of opposing groups become angry at us, but according to the injunction shastras, we cannot make compromises with these so-called jnanis, yogis, karmis and tapasvis. When they say they are as good as we are, we must say that only we are good and they are not good. This is not our obstinacy. It is the injunction of the shastras. We must deviate from the injunctions of the shastras. This is confirmed in the next verse, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Annatha je manitaro nahinko nistaro, nahi 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 eti na evakaro. This verse clearly states that anyone who accepts Any other path cannot be delivered. This is the reason for the triple repetition, nothing else, nothing else, nothing else, which emphasizes the real process of self-realization. Truna haite nicha hoya sadana malabhe apanoi nirabhimani anya dive na manam. To chant the holy name always one should be humbler, humbler than a blade of grass in the street, and devoid all other desire for personal honor, that one should offer others all respectful obeisances. Taru samo saisnuta vaishnava karibe bhartsana tarane kake kichu na bolibe. A devotee engaged in chanting the holy name of the Lord should practice perseverance like that of a tree. Even if rebuked or chastised, he should not say anything to others to retaliate. Kati deha taru jeno kichu na boloy, sukaya more tobe joluna magoy. But even if one cuts a tree, it never protests, nor even it is drying up and dying, does it ask anyone for water. This practice of forbearance, tunarthi sunichena, is very difficult. But when one actually engages in chanting Hare Krishna mantra, the quality of forbearance automatically develops. A person advanced in spiritual consciousness through the chanting of Hare Krishna mantra need not practice to develop it separately. For a devotee develops all good qualities simply by chanting Hare Krishna mantra regularly. এই মাত্র বৈষ্ণব কারে কিছু না মাগিব অযাচিত বুঝি কিংবা শাক ফল খাইব. This is thus a Vaishnava should not ask anything from anyone else. If someone gives him something without being asked, he should accept it. But if nothing comes, a Vaishnava should be satisfied to eat whatever vegetables and fruits are easily available. Sada nam laiva tatha labhete santosha. Eita achar kare bhakti dharma kosha. One should strictly follow the principle of always chanting holy name, and one should be satisfied whatever he gets easily. Such devotional behavior solidly maintains one's devotional service. Pralpi sunichena karoriva saisnuna amanina manadena etaniya sadahari. One thinks himself lower than the grass, who is more tolerant than a tree, who doesn't expect personal honor, it is always prepared to give all respect to others, can very easily always chant the holy name of the Lord. Otherwise cannot chant. Otherwise cannot chant. The grass is specifically mentioned in this verse because everyone tramples upon it, and the grass never protests. This example indicates that a spiritual master or a leader should not be proud of his position, being always humbler than an ordinary common man. He should go on preaching the call of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by chanting Hare Krishna mantra. Urdhvahu kari kaho suna sarva loka, nama sutre ganthi paro kunthe ishloka. Raising my hands, I declare, Kaviraj Goswami, everyone, please hear me. Hearing? Do you hear? Yes. String this verse on the thread of holy name and wear it around your neck for continuous remembrance. When chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, in the beginning one may commit many offenses, which are called Namabhas and Namaparad. In this stage, there is no possibility of achieving perfect love of Krishna by chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. No possibility. Therefore one must chant Hare Hare Krishna Mahamantra according to the principles of the above verse, Prada Vishniji and Paruri Vasaisunda. One should note in this connection that chanting involves the activities of the upper and lower lips as well as the tongue. All three must be engaged. Upper lip, lower lip and tongue. All three must be engaged in chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. The word Hare Krishna should be very distinctly pronounced and heard. Sometimes one mechanically produces hissing sound. It's only Namaprabha, nothing else. Mechanical produces hissing sound instead of chanting the proper pronunciation with the help of the lips and tongue. Chanting is very simple, but one must practice it seriously. Therefore, the author of Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, advises everyone to keep this verse always strong about his neck. Yes. Prabhu Ajnaya Karai Sloka Acharana Avasya Vaive Kare Sri Krishna Charana. One must strictly follow the principles given by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this verse. If one simply follows in the footsteps of Lord Chaitanya and the Goswamis, certainly will achieve the ultimate goal of life, lotus feet of Sri Krishna. But you are not following. Isn't it? You are not following this teaching of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, principles given by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Goswamis. How can you get? All right. केवल शब्द पुनरपि निश्चय करण ज्ञान. Acharya must say, what? You are great? No, I am great. Then fighting began, quarreling began. Yes, this is Kali Yuga. Age of quarreling. Why quarreling? Why fighting? Because everybody thinks I am great. Yes. He says, Mathura says, hey, I am great. When he hears, what? You are great? No, I am great. Then fighting began, quarreling began. Yes. This is Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga, in Kali Yuga, this Dambha, this pride is measuring rod. Such a very, very dangerous age, horrible age, most degraded age, this Kali Yuga. In this age, only Mahaprabhu's teaching required. If you can accept Mahaprabhu's teaching, understand Mahaprabhu's teaching, and what Mahaprabhu teaches, if you practice in your life, then you will be saved. Otherwise, cannot be saved from the influence of Kali. Otherwise, cannot be saved from the influence of Kali. Therefore, it says, Prabhupada says, it's very difficult. Practice for parents, Pranad Vishniji is very difficult. But when one actually engages in chanting Hare Krishna mantra, the quality of forbearance automatically develops. Abhyas kariba, a Pranad Vishnu Chaha Vaishnava said to fill his belly. I am hungry, give me food, give me food. Vaishnava never says so. He does so, he is not a Vaishnava at all. He is a beggar. He is a beggar. Vaishnava is not a beggar. Why a Vaishnava goes to the doorstep of a householder? That question arises. Then say, why he goes? He doesn't go for begging to fill his belly. He never goes like that purpose. He goes there to shower his mercy on a householder who is too much attached to home and heart, saying I and mine. Yes. Completely devoid of pure knowledge, consciousness, who is deluded person, grossly deluded person, saying I and mine, this is mine, this is mine. This. Actually everything belongs to Krishna. Nothing belongs to yourself. But he is so much deluded, saying I, mine, mine, mine. What is Krishna's property? He says mine. Great offender, great criminal. This is criminal mentality, isn't it? criminal mentality, which is Krishna's property. He tries to possess it, lord it over, and enjoy. Thereby he is committing a great crime. Great crime. Yes. Great criminal. In order to shower mercy on us as a great criminal, Vaishnava goes to his house, doorstep. To shower his mercy on him, that's to inculcate your consciousness, Krishna consciousness. It's not that Vaishnava goes there for begging food, give me food, give me food. No, never begs. You understand? He's not a beggar at all. Rather, he may be hungry, he will die. Never ask for food. As tree, example is tree. Mahaprabhu gives this example in Sikhyastakand. Kaviraj Goswami picks on it. You understand? The tree may die, dry up and die, but you will never ask, give me water. Yes, toilets. Similarly, Vaishnavas are toilet. He is hungry, he needs food, but you will never ask. But give me food, I am hungry. No. He toilets. Adachita Prati. Adachita Prati means a profession of not asking for anything. If something comes, without asking, he accepts. Otherwise, never accepts. You understand? So in this connection we say also, a Vaishnava who is completely surrendered at the lotus feet of Krishna is completely surrendered into holy name. This is his behavior, how he acts. He never asks anything. He never asks. You understand? Anybody. He tolerates everything. Like Taro, he was, it's not tolerant, extreme. He's always engaged, hearing, chanting, remembering, serving the Lord, and Asya Sakhya, Atman Vedana, Navada Bhakti, 9 types of bhakti is there. 7th canto Bhagavatam, Prahlad Maharaj teaching, he's always engaged. He's not a lazy fellow. Day and night, 24 hours engaged. Do you think a Vaishnava lazy fellow? Premji, lazy? No, lazy. Vaishnava is not lazy at all. Day and night, 24 hours engaged in the service of Krishna. That means hearing, chanting, remembering, serving, offering worship, dasya, servitorship, complete, dedication, atma-vidana. All this, constant, every moment is engaged. It's not lazy. Nobody can understand the activities of a Vaishnava. Vaishnava kriya mudra vijnana bujoy. However, a great person may be learned, pandit, maybe in the society, he cannot understand the activities of a Vaishnava. Not easy thing to understand. They cannot understand, therefore they say, these people are parasites on this society. Yes, parasites. Not doing anything, parasites on this society. They say so. They have not understood. You understand? They have not understood. Yes. Vijnana bujai, Vaishnava Kyamudra Vijnana bujai. Vijnana, however wide, learned, great one maybe, he cannot understand activities of a Vaishnava. What he is doing. He is not parasite. He never asked for anything. How is a parasite? How is parasite? Is he asking, give me food, give me food? How to say a parasite? They cannot understand. Anything comes without asking, he accepts. Nothing comes, whether you die, you never ask. Isn't it? Like tree. Whatever available there, sap, phala, any fruit, or live. Whatever is available, except nothing is available, it's always. Madhavendra Puri, typical example. Madhavendra Puri is typical example, such a Vaishnava. He never asks anybody anything. Yes. He may be hungry, thirsty, still never asks. Tolerance. You follow? Tolerance. Once you are sitting underneath a tree in the jungle of Vrindavan, he was very thirsty, very hungry, but not asking. This is Vaishnava. Yes, Adakura. Krishna came up there, you see, in the form of a cowherd boy, and said, what sort of sannyasi you are? What sort of sannyasi you are? Sannyasi in general go out and do madhukari. What do you say? Beg. Go out and beg. Take some little things from 5 houses, something like that. Why you are not going out and begging? Krishna said, what sort of sannyasi you are? You are hungry, you are thirsty. Then Madhavendra looked at him, who are you? How do you know I am hungry and thirsty? Oh, I am a cowherd boy, lives in this village. Yes. Now somebody comes to our village, will never fast, will never go without food. Yes. This is such a village, our village. Why you are going without food? I don't know. I am hungry and thirsty. Oh, some ladies were taking bath in that pond. They were talking among themselves. I heard. This sannyasi is very hungry, tired, thirsty, sitting there underneath the tree. I heard it. I was taking care of my cows. This is everyday's business. I'm a cowherd boy. I heard. Krishna comes in form of cowherd boy, says like that. You follow? All right, I have this one pot of milk with me. Take it. So, how it comes? Doesn't ask. Isn't it? One is completely surrendered. In the lotus feet of Krishna, completely surrendered to holy name, never thinks of his maintenance. Yes, never thinks of it. Krishna will maintain him. That Krishna has promised that thing, isn't it? Kaunteha prajanina me bhakta pransyati. He said this thing in Bhagavad Gita. O son of Kunti, Arjuna, you go out and beating drums, proclaim. My devotee will never perish. I give him protection and maintain him, isn't it? Yes. Vishwambhara, Krishna is known as Vishwambhara, who maintains the whole universe, isn't it? Who maintains the whole universe. Krishna Vishwambhara Vishwakarena Palana. Jagat Guru Krishna Sabe Karena Rakshana. Krishna protects everybody. Krishna maintains everybody. The whole world. Yes. Why not maintain you? If you are engaged in his service, why not maintain you? Why you starve? Why you starve? Nobody will starve. Was taken shelter at lotus feet. Krishna is engaged. 100% engaged, day and night, 24 hours engaged. Krishna, sorry, will he starve? Never starve. He will never starve. Krishna maintains whole world. This is must. Krishna said that thing. Krishna the Rakshakar Palaka Amar. A devotee is completely surrendered, completely Krishna consciousness, 100% Krishna conscious. He knows it very well. Krishna is my protector. Krishna is my maintainer. Isn't it? So why are you thinking, Mathurama? Oh, what shall I do? Many are talking about it. Such a devastating war will come. Everything will be devastated, destroyed. What shall I do? Shall I go under a underground trench? Stay there and keep tons of food with me? Nothing will available. So what are you thinking like that? Baba. You are thinking like that? He has no faith in Krishna. He is the only maintainer, he is the only protector. Krishna bina raksha kartar kyo na? Krishna is rakshakar palako hamar. Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my protector. Surrender all things. And definitely is maintained and definitely protected. Yes. And you have no faith in Krishna. Yes. Faithless person, sansayatma vinasyati. Who is a faithless person, asaddhana purusa, mangaprapya nivartante mritu sansara vatmani. Gita Krishna says, asaddhana purusa, mangaprapya nivartante mritu sansara vatmani. One who has no faith in me, who has doubt in me, will again and again come down here to this material world and revolve in this cycle of birth and death, alive. He cannot get me. He cannot approach me. Yes. A full faith in Krishna, full faith in the holy name, completely surrender. Never think of your maintenance and protection. We never think so. Already protected and maintained. Yes. So many examples are there. Madhavendra Puri. And one day Mahaprabhu asked Srivas Thakur. Srivas, such a dear devotee of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu first started his Sankirtan in Srivas, courtyard of Srivas, isn't it? It will come here. तबे शिवासर गृहे निरंतर रात्रे संकीर्तन कैलायका संवत्सर. This will come here. So once Mahaprabhu, Srivas is a householder, is a family man. He has wife, children, yes, to maintain them. They are dependent on them. But he is completely surrendered soul. He never says my family, my wife, my son, my daughter, never says the Krishna's. Krishna's family, yes. And all family are engaged in Krishna's service. Yes, and he has dedicated everything. So he never does anything. He never goes out, never earns money, never takes up a job or does any business and earns money. How? The family, he and family will be maintained by. But completely surrender, always engaged in Sravana, Kirtana, hearing, chanting, thinking, offering, worship, and all this mindful bhakti. No difficulty. Well, family was maintained. One day to test him, Mahaprabhu asked Srivas, you are a family man, you have a big family to maintain. Why don't you go out and earn money? Yes. Go out and earn money. Otherwise, how can you maintain your family? Grihastha should earn money. Yes. But you are not earning money, not doing any business or not an certain job. Oh, I have said only one job to serve Krishna. Why other job? A job, Maya das. Maya will give me a job, so I will accept it. So Srivas, when Mahaprabhu asked, Srivas didn't say anything. He just clapped 3 times he clapped. You understand? Didn't say anything, only clapped 3 times. Mahaprabhu said, what does it mean? What does it mean? Mahaprabhu asked this question, Srivas, why are you not going out and earn money? You are a family man, you have a big family, they are dependent on you. He didn't say anything. He only clapped 3 times. Mahaprabhu asked, what does it mean? Then he said, Radhachita Bruti is Vaishnava, Ka Vaishnava, Radhachita Bruti will never go and ask anything to anybody. Whatever available, without asking, he accepts. And Krishna said, Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my protector. It's Krishna's family, so family is maintained by Krishna, protected by Krishna. 3 times clapped, that's been said. If supply will not come for first day, I'll tolerate it. Whole family will tolerate it. This thorough devastation. You understand? He is as tolerant as tree. The tree may be drying up without getting water, he never asked for water. Yes, tolerant. She said, first day, no supply came, we tolerated, we will fast. Second day, no supply came, we also tolerate. Yes, we also tolerate. Not go and ask anybody, you understand, give me food, we are hungry. Third day, no supply comes, still we tolerate. If fourth day, no supply comes, then the whole family will go and drown in the Ganges. Finished. All right? Mathrana, Srivas Thakur says like that. The fourth day, 3 days will tolerate. No supply comes, we tolerate. We fast. Tolerate, yes. Tolerate hunger. Whole family will do it. No supply comes, then the whole family will go and drown in the Ganges. So, Mahaprabhu became very much pleased with him. Yes, very much pleased. This is Vaishnava. Real Vaishnava. Yeah. Understanding? Yes. Completely surrender. Ei mata Vaishnava kare kichu na magibo, ojachita bruti kimba saka phalo khaibo. Kahaku magibo na kichi? बिना मागिबार जदि किछि मिलला ताकु ग्रहण करिवो बा किछि न मिलला ता पाखरे अछि बारी बगीचारे पाखरे रास्ता घाटरे किछि साक फल अछि ताकु किछि आनिबो खाइबो सिजै खाइबो आ कोन करिवो so many vegetables are grown up there in some jungle or by the side of the road or something but we get something, some leafy vegetable, just boils it and eats it. All right? Plenty? Yes, very good. Sada naam laibo jatha labete santosha. Eita atar kore bhakti dharma posha. Always chants Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. गोटे मुहूर्त पाई विस्मृत हुए ना प्रतिक्षण प्रति मुहूर्त नाम नौथाय वैष्णव अतो एवो नाम मात्रो वैष्णवेरो धर्म अतो एवो नाम मात्रो वैष्णवेरो धर्म evo namo matro vaishnaviro dharma eva namo matro vaishnaviro dharma name prasthutito rupa guna parama name Name samagro lila nami vidyo mana Krishna samagro lila nami vidyo namo se parama tattva tomaro vidana namo se parama tattva tomaro vidana. Therefore, Oteva Nama Matra Vaishnava Dharma. Therefore, holy name is everything for a Vaishnava. Understand? Name of Krishna is everything. Hare Krishna Mahamantra is everything for a Vaishnava. Completely surrender unto holy name. Name is not different from Krishna, isn't it? Avinata Nama. Who chants pure name, he is with Krishna. Yes, pure name is Krishna. Especially in Kali Yuga, Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. Kali Yuga Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. Kali Yuga Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. Nama Hoite Hoye Sarva Jagato Nisaro Nama Hoite Hoye Sarva Jagato Nisaro Namo Vina Kali Kare Naiyaro Dharma Namo Vina Kali Kare Naiyaro Sarvo Shastro Saranama Ei Shastro Dharma Saramanta Saranama Ei Shastro Dharma Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Lila
In the age of Kali, Krishna advents himself in the form of the holy name.
So, no other incarnation in Kali Yuga, is name incarnation. You follow? Yes.
By the holy name, the entire universe is delivered.
Yes. Entire universe will be delivered. Mathura Nath, you first deliver yourself, then go out and chant your name. Do Padayatra, Sankirtan and deliver the whole world. Alive? First you deliver yourself. By chanting pure name. Not Nama Vasa, Nama Prat, pure name. Alive? Cultivate all these things for Mahaprabhu's teaching. Think yourself much humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. No pride, no arrogance. No pride at all. And lowest of the low, first thing. Number 2, be as tolerant as tree. Don't ask anything, anybody. Tree doesn't ask water if he dries up and dies. Tolerates it. And give respect to one and all. Manada, apane omani. Don't demand respect. Hey, rascal, don't you know who am I? I'm Vaishnava. Pay obeisance, pay. Like this. No. Don't demand. You understand? Pay obeisance, pay respect to one and all. Because Krishna, this time Krishna is there. Yes. This is the attitude, mentality, and one should practice this, then chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. এই তো আচার করে ভক্তি ধর্ম পোষ অবশ্য পাইবে তবে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চরণ প্রভুর আজ্ঞায় করো এই শ্লোক আচরণ উৎস পাইবে তবে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চরণ। One must strictly follow the principles given by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this verse, Haranam Nameva Kevalam, or that verse in Sikhyastaka. Tunada Visnichina Taroriva Saisnuna Manina Manina Kirtanyasva. This verse. If one simply follows in the footsteps of Lord Chaitanya and the Goswamis, suddenly you will achieve ultimate goal of life, lotus feet of Krishna. Suddenly. Yes. Very easy process. You follow? So, then chant in this, developing this mentality, this pure name, then will definitely get Krishna. If delivered, not only delivered, you get Krishna, you are with Krishna. Then go out, chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Loud chanting, congregational chanting, pure name chanting, a pure name. Do Padayatra, then whole world will be delivered. So, do this. Nam vina kolikare na yaro dharma sarvamanta saranama shastra dharma.
There is no other dharma in this age of Kali.
No other dharma.
The holy name of Krishna is the essence of all mantras and the purport of all revealed scriptures.
So, full faith, strong faith in it. Tarvade sarvo sreshto nam sankirtana. Tarvade sarvo sreshto nam sankirtana. Niraparade nam loile pai premodana. तार मध्य सर्वश्रेष्ठ नाम संकीर्तन निरपराध नाम लैले पाए प्रेमानंद. Not found out. All sorts of this processes. The chief and most important process is Nam Sankirtan, especially in Kali Yuga. If your chanting is offenseless, pure, definitely get Krishna prema. Understand? If you are chanting pure name, and you can see very beautiful form Syam Sundara. Not only that, all his qualities, all his leelas will manifest before you. You follow. You always in Krishna leela. Krishna Rasamakra leela, Nama Vidyaman, Nama se Paramatatva, Tumara Vidhan. All leelas are there in holy name, because that's not different from Krishna. Pure name. Not Nama Prada, Nama Vas. This is supreme truth, Krishna is supreme truth. Similarly, Nam, holy name, is supreme truth. Understand? Mathuranath, you understand? So you have forgotten this thing. You are fragmental part of Krishna. Krishna is your eternal master. I am his eternal servant. You follow? And whatever you see here, find everything is, these are paraphernalia for Krishna's enjoyment, not for your enjoyment. Understand? This Jnana is known as Samundha Jnana. Understand me? So, Sarva Veda bolega Hari Nama Saro পুন বলে যত মুক্ত মহাজন বেদ পুন বলে পরব্যোমি সদা করে নাম সংকীর্তন পরব্যোমি সদা করে নাম সংকীর্তন. So in all Vedas it is said, Harinam is the essence of all Vedas. You understand? Therefore chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Therefore Prabhupada says here, our Krishna conscious movement stresses the chanting of Hare Krishna mantra only, because this is the secret. This is the secret for this age of Kali. Yes. We are not engaged in anything but chanting Hare Krishna. No mystic yoga, no karma, no jnana. Alright? Veda Puna bole, paive parama priti ananda pa. If you chant your name, you'll get immense pleasure. Apara ananda. You understand? Unlimited pleasure. Yes. Because the source of all pleasure, blissfulness is Krishna. Satchit Anandamaya. He is Sachidanandamaya. Sanmaya, Chinmaya, Anandamaya. So by chanting his name, pure name, he can constantly come in contact with Krishna, then you'll get real Ananda. Yes, with Sachidanandamaya. Veda Puna bole jato mukta mahadana parabhyame kar sada nam sankirtana. Again Veda says those who are liberated, nitya mukta, eternally liberated Mahadanas, they only chant this Hare Krishna in spiritual world. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If you chant His holy name and if you develop complete faith, strong faith in holy name, complete surrender in holy name, all your anarthas will be finished. Yes. All your anarthas will be destroyed. You have full faith, strong faith in holy name. This is Krishna faith. Name drudo hoile nai, hoi pape mati. Name drudo hoile nai, pape drudo mati. Name drudo hoile nai, hoi pape mati. Name drudo hoile nai, hoi pape mati. Purva papo dogdho, chitta sudhati. Purva papo dogdho, chitta sudhati. If you develop strong faith in holy name, unflinching faith in holy name, always chanting holy name, always keeping in the mind, what is the scope that some sinful thought will enter into your mind? Huh? Bolo? Never, never. Yes. Never any sinful thought will enter into your mind if holy name is there in your mind. Whatever previous sinful reactions are there, they are all destroyed. And your consciousness, your heart becomes purified of all contaminations of life. This is the chanting, effect of chanting, result of chanting holy name, pure name. When I say name means pure name, not nama bhasa and nama aparadha and so nothing like that. Yes, I'm chanting so many names for so many years. Prabhupada says, chant distinctly three things, upper lip, lower lip and tongue. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Pronounce distinctly and concentrate on this transcendental sound vibration. Not that chanting. Not like that. You commit aparadha. It's a nama aparadha. Yes. It's distinct. Then your heart will be purified, consciousness purified, mind will be purified. No scope that some sinful thought will enter into your mind. Rather, whatever previous sinful reactions are there, they are all destroyed. Heart, conscious, mind are purified. Krishna Rakhya Karta Eko Mato Boli Jane. Krishna Rakhya Karta Krishna Rakhya Karta Eko Mato Boli Jane. Krishna Rakhya Karta Eko Mato Boli Jane. Jivani Palana Karta Krishna Iha Mane. Jivani Palana Karta Krishna Iha Mane. Aham Mama Buddha Sakti Narakhe Hrudaye. He has strong faith in Krishna. Krishna is my only maintainer. Krishna is my protector. Nobody else. Strong faith he has. Krishna, strong faith he has in name of Krishna. Yes. Krishna, Jivane Palana Karta Krishna Yamani. Krishna is my maintainer throughout my life. Yes. Completely surrendered soul. You follow? Yes, strong faith in it. Aham no vidya sakti na rokhe hudoy. Dino bhave naam loe sobol somay. Yeah, it never utters this I and mine. You understand? You follow? I am Mark Gordon. I am from Australia. Yes. Mark Gordon? No. Who are you? Huh? What is that? Jiva. A Jiva from Australia. Australian Jiva. I am Mark Gordon from Australia, isn't it? This is our identity. Yes. I have so much bank balance. Yeah, I'm a great person. Don't you know? Yeah. Huh? I have a bullock cart. I have 3 pairs of bullocks. Isn't it Mark Gordon? I have a wife. Yeah. Huh? Wife? Yes. I have so many girlfriends. I am great enjoyer. I am great landlord. Isn't it? This is I, mine. Isn't it? But a Vaishnava is not like that. Never says I, mine. I am Krishna's. I don't belong to myself. Yes. I am Krishna's eternal servant. He never says I and mine, everything Krishna's. My body belongs to Krishna. Mind belongs to Krishna. Huh? Do you understand? I myself belongs to Krishna. Everything Krishna. Whatever I have gotten is all Krishna's. He never says I am mine. Always chants Hare Krishna in a very humble way. You understand? Humble attitude. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Dino bhave naam loy sokol samay. Always, sokol samay. Always. Day and night, 24 hours. Every moment. He chants Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. With a very, very humble mind, humble attitude, much humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. Mahaprabhu. Do you understand? In this attitude, Krishna vina raksha karta, nahi keho aharo. Krishna vina raksha karta, nahi keho aharo. Krishna depa lokomatro, janibe amaro. Krishna depa lokomatro, janibe amaro. Ami dino kinchana, sokolero haro. Nahi ko amaro, Adhamadu gata kicho, nahi ko amaro. You understand? This is attitude of humble bent of mind. Krishna vina raksha karta nahi keho aar. Nobody but Krishna is the only protector. Understand? Perfect. Krishna is palaka matro janime amar. Krishna is my maintainer. Nobody maintains me. Krishna is my maintainer. Sripati, Gutsugire. Ami din okinchana sokoler char. Odhama tibbata kichu nahi ko amar. I am most degraded. I am pauper, most pauper. I am nothing in this material world. Yes, I have 4 pairs of bullocks. A bullock cart I have, yes. Mark garden I am. I'm a great landlord. No, I am nothing. I am most pauper. I am nothing in this material world. Dino Kinchana. I am most fallen, degraded. I am more insignificant than a worm in the stove. Do you understand? This is mentality. Sokoler cha, odham durgata, kichu nahi ko amar. I am so fallen, so degraded, most pauper. I am more insignificant than a worm in the stove. I have nothing here. Do you understand? Only Krishna is mine. I am Krishna's, nothing else. All right? This is mentality. This is humble bent of mind. In this bent of mind is sad Hare Krishna. Krishnera sansare ami achi chiro daso. Krishnera sansare ami achi chiro daso. Krishna icha moto kriya amaro proyaso. Krishna icha moto kriya amaro proyaso. This is mentality. Krishnera sansarami achi chirodas. This is Krishna's sansar. I am his eternal servant. Nobody's servant I am. I am Krishna's eternal servant in Krishna's sansar. What is your activity?
Giving pleasure to Krishna's senses.
Krishna ichamata kriyamar prayas. What Krishna wants? From me I do same thing. Understand? Yes. What Krishna wants from me to do, I do same thing. I have no separate will. No. I have no separate will. I have the same will that Krishna has. Understand? This is mentality. Krishna ichamata kriyamar prayas. Yes. Krishna says, as for example, Krishna says to Arjuna, go and fight. Isn't it? This is teaching in Bhagavad Gita. But Arjuna was not willing. No, I won't fight. I'll go to forest, become sannyasi, meditate there. So Krishna doesn't want it. Krishna's will, Krishna wants, Arjuna should fight. Yes? Battle of Kurukshetra, some fires, fighting. That's Krishna's will. So, when he heard Bhagavad Gita from Krishna, understood, then at last he said, but first he was unwilling, isn't it? Last chapter, 18th chapter Bhagavad Gita, see what he has said. Nastamoho srunkilabdha tatprasadat mayachyuta titasmi gata sandeha parisyevatanam tava. He said at last, Oh Achyuta, Oh Krishna, all my delusions gone. I was thinking, my brothers, my friends, how can I kill them? That delusion gone. Nastamoho srunkilabdha. What I had forgotten, now it has come up now.